There's someone under all these buckets.
His treasure.
Oh yeah, look! It's Diesel. Whoa, but that's a super fast Diesel, guys.
Hey, Kana, guess who I'm cheering for? There they are. I've got to go meet them.
Check that out. That is so cool. Look at that. So awesome. Check this Diesel out. Playground. It's going to be so cool. So we've got trains everywhere, and we're going to see if we're going to try to find it. All right, Zayn, who do we have first?
So we have.
Who do we find?
Young Belle.
Oh, guys.
He's red and green with yellow horn.
Whoa, guys. So we found Young Bao.
Gordon! Gordon! Huh? Great gear. Thank you, young Bao.
How cool is that? Awesome. Let's see who else we can find.
Oh, it's Riff and Jeff. Riff and Jeff.
So we found Riff and Jeff. Wow.
Next, Riff and Jeff. Engines whose incredible power and winning attitudes have made them legendary.
This is so cool. Check out the stars. That's so cool. Who's under that bucket? Do you think somebody's under the bucket? Is there a train under there? Let's see. Oh, there's. Oh, look!
Kana.
We found Kana.
Wow, she is fast.
Whoa! Check out Kana. All right. Found Kana under the bucket. That's so cool. All right, cool. All right.
I can do a hippie hop.
All right. Zayn's hopping over to the next one. We found somebody. Who's that, Zayn?
It's Hero.
Whoa, we found Hero, guys.
We'll see you at the finish line, Hero. If not sooner. Oh, my guess is sooner.
He was hiding in the sand. He was hiding on the sand. Check out Hero. Oh, Zayn, I think we got somebody in there. Oh, we got somebody inside of here. Who's that?
It's Rainbow Thomas.
Whoa, check that out.
Ah, boy.
Boing.
I got stuck in this. Can you help me?
Sure. All right, here we go. We've got Rainbow Thomas, guys.
It's just ahead now, we cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow, whatever will there be?
The end of the rainbow. Whoa. Look at the colors.
Hi guys, if you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zayn with Thomas and Friend videos. That's so cool.
That's a Thomas painting.
Yeah, all right, let's see who else we can find. Whoa, let's go inside here. Zayn, who's those two trains in there? We got Frederico and Verona inside the sand.
What? How did they...
Whoa, look at that. Woohoo, that's so cool. They're really, really fast. Check them out. So cool. Wow. So awesome. Fast. Let's see who else we can find. Oh, we found somebody else.
Kenji.
We found Kenji.
Wow, Kana. You're almost as fast as me now.
And getting faster every day.
Hey, Kenji. That's so cool. Check out Kenji. Whoa. That's so cool. All right.
Another Thomas is friend.
All right, let's see who else we can find here, Zayn. I think somebody's on top of this. Who's that? Oh, look at Sandy.
It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken. I'm adding a temporary patch now, which means it'll only last for a little while. And you'll need to go slower to make sure it stays on. No time to slow down. With the storm coming, we have to finish the deliveries.
It's Sandy.
Well, here I go on top of the
That's so
Here
cool.
I go.
Whoa, that's so cute. All right, guys, that was so cute. Look at Sandy. So awesome. Very cool. All right. Zayn, who's this? Who's this over here? We've got Gordon.
Who wants to sing Old McCall Had a Farm on the way home?
Me. I do.
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old McCall had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Look at Gordon. Whoa, check out Gordon. Check him out. That's so cool. All right, Gordon. Let's see who else we can find. Whoa! Who did Zayn find? Who did we find? Who's this?
It's James.
We've got James.
Whoops. This way, Knights. Gotcha, James. We're here to rescue you from the dragon float.
Save yourselves and what?
Dragon captured.
That's so cool. That's awesome. Oh, who's on top of here?
I know.
It's Bruno.
Hello, Detective Bruno. Will you help me find out what made Connor leave? Oh yes, of course, Inspector Diesel. Detective Bruno at your service. I can help you figure it out.
Guys, watch me go down the
We
slide.
got Bruno.
Whoa,
Whoa.
whoa, whoa.
Check out Bruno.
What?
So awesome. That's Bruno. Very cool. All right. Let's see who else we can find. Is somebody under that truck? Is somebody under there? Let's check. There is. There is. There's Thomas, and he's all dirty.
Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa!
I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me.
Choo-choo.
There goes Thomas, having fun in the sand.
Choo-choo.
So cool. Awesome. Okay, somebody under that bucket, Zayn. There's someone under all these buckets.
His
Bucket.
treasure.
Oh yeah, look! It's Diesel. Whoa, but that's a super fast Diesel, guys.
Hey, Connor, guess who I'm cheering for? There they are. I've got to go meet them.
Check that out. That is so cool. Look at that. So awesome. Check this Diesel out. Awesome. Okay. No, here, big. Whoa, who's on top of here? Who's that?
It's Muddy Thomas.
We got Muddy Thomas up here.
Easy greasy. And I'm still clean as a whistle. Have fun in the mud. Whoa! Piggy, look out! Aw, bolts.
Whoa, here he comes. He's coming around. Muddy Thomas is coming around.
With the sand.
With the sand, he's coming. He's coming. There he goes. Whoa, check out Muddy Thomas. And he goes flop right in the sand. All dirty. That's so cool. All right, let's go in here, Zayn. Who's here, Zayn? Who's that?
Hello, guys. It's Connor.
Oh, it's a long way.
No problem. Hi. Where you been?
Oh, it's
This
Connor.
is one of my favorite trains ever.
Awesome. Now, Connor, guys. So awesome. Oh, who do we have? Who'd you find, Zayn?
Diesel.
We found Diesel.
Choo-choo.
Check out Diesel.
What's your name, little guy?
Mama.
Okay, I'll call you Wilson. Hello, Wilson. I'm Diesel. Now we're buddies. Next stop, Random Docks to find your
Mama.
not your mama.
Whoa, that is so cool. Check out Diesel, guys. Whoa, whoa. Hey, that is awesome.
And he goes flop.
Okay, all right. Let's see who else we can find. All right, let's come on out, guys. Whoa, we've got another Thomas. Check him out.
Whoa! There's the platform. I made it.
That is awesome. Chugging along in the sand. Check out Thomas. Ooh, so cool. Who else do we have, Zayn? Oh, look.
Carly the crane.
We've got Carly the crane over here.
Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clack clack here and a snap snap there. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap. Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap. Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly. Thanks, Carly.
So cool. Oh, her top comes, the crane comes off. That is so cool, Zayn.
We can dig
So girly. Yeah.
Can we dig in?
That's so, yeah, sure.
We can dig in here.
This is so much fun. Cool, all right. That was awesome. Okay. Zayn, I see somebody else over there.
It's Percy.
It's Percy. Oh, yeah, it is.
Choo-choo.
Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but it's hide-and surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
It's Percy. Chugging along in the sand.
Choo-choo.
All right, there goes Percy, guys. That's a shiny Percy. That's so cool.
Yep.
All right. And I see somebody. Oh, who's there? Who's there with the... Whoa, look. He's right in front of the dump truck. Oh, right in front of the truck. Oh, there he goes.
Choo-choo.
It's Thomas.
Thomas, catch!
Thanks, guys. Next up, whips. Time for a track attack.
Go, Thomas!
The shiny Thomas. How cool is that? So awesome. That was awesome. And thank you, Mr. Truck, for holding Thomas.
Woohoo!
Cool.
Say rail.
Sandy the Railer.
It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken. I'm adding a temporary patch now, which means it'll only last for a little while. And you'll need to go slower to make sure it stays on. No time to slow down. With the storm coming, we have to finish the deliveries.
Go for it. We got Sandy the Railer. Look, watch her go. Whoa, here she goes. All right, up and down the slide. Whoa, here she goes. Whoa, that's so cool. Oh, boom, splash. That was so cool. Check this out, guys. All the blue just floated in the water.
It's Verona.
We got Verona.
Oh, if it isn't Kenji.
Verona, Frederico.
I hear you have a new young partner. That's gotta be tough.
Is next. All right, here you go, Verona. There you go. She's coming around. She's coming around. Oh, there she goes. Whoa. Up and down the slide. And splash. Whoa, that was so cool. Whoa. Who's that, Zayn?
Genji.
We got Kenji.
Wow, Kana. You're almost as fast as me now.
And getting faster every day.
All right, here goes Kenji. Kenji's got all blue paint on him. Here he comes. Whoa. Oh, look at that. He's going up. Oh, and he slides down. Push him. Push him. There you go. Splash. And he went right in. All right, more paint. Who's that?
Kana.
We've got Kana.
Wow, she is fast.
Kana's got blue paint on her also. Here she comes. She's coming around. She's coming around. There you go. She goes up and down. Up and down. And splash. Watch her go in the water. Who do we have next?
We got Muddy Percy.
We've got a Muddy Percy.
Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but
but it's hide-end surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise!
Okay. Check out Muddy Percy. She's all muddy with the yellow paint. Zayn's gonna put him there. She's going up and down. Whoa, check that out. It's so cool. And whoa, splash. All right, who do we have next? Who's that?
Where's Rainbow Diesel?
We got Rainbow Diesel.
End of the rainbow! Whoa! Look at the colors!
Here he goes. Rainbow Diesel's covered with all yellow paint. All right, here he goes. Whoa, check that out. Splash! Whoa, with the big splash of yellow. Who's next? Who's that?
It's Diesel.
We've got Diesel.
What's your name, little guy?
Mama.
Okay, I'll call you Wilson. Hello, Wilson. I'm Diesel. Now we're buddies. Next stop, Random Docks to find your...
Mama.
Not your mama.
Diesel is covered with all yellow paint. Check him out. All right. No, stop.
Down.
Whoa, Diesel, that's so cool. Hero.
Hero.
We've got Hero.
We'll see you at the finish line, Hero. If not sooner. Oh, my guess is sooner.
Okay, here's Hero. Whoa, he's covered in all yellow paint. Check him out. Whoa, all right. Here he comes. And whoa, check out those bubbles. Who's that?
That's Zayn.
That's James.
Whoops. This way, knights. I got you, James. We're here to rescue you from the dragon float.
Save yourselves and... What?
Dragon captured.
James is covered in all yellow paint also. James is coming up. Here he goes, James. James is covered in all yellow paint. That is so cool. Whoa! That was cool. Whoa, who's that?
Thomas.
That's Rainbow Thomas.
It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be? The end of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
Rainbow Thomas is covered in all orange paint. Here he goes. Whoa, whoa, and whoa! What? He's stuck. There you go. Splash. Who's that?
There's Emily.
We've got Emily. Emily's covered in all orange paint.
It's a sheep stampede. Gather round, all ye engines, great and...
Zayn's finger is all colorful. Check that out. Okay. Emily's looks so cool with the orange paint. Here she goes. And whoa, splash. Who's that, Zayn?
Young Bear.
That's Young Bao.
Big gears.
Thank you, young bear.
Young Bao's covered in all orange paint. Check him out. All right, here he goes on the slide. Back and forth, and he's splash right into the water. Zayn, who's that?
That's Bruno.
That's Bruno.
Detective Bruno, will you help me find out what made Connor leave?
Oh yes, of course, Inspector Diesel. Detective Bruno at your service. I can help you figure it out.
Bruno's covered in all orange paint. Check him out. Whoa. Bruno's gonna go for a fun ride. Here he goes. Here he goes. And splash. Whoa. Bubbles. Who's that?
It's Gordon.
That's Gordon.
Who wants to sing Old McCall Had a Farm on the way home?
Me! I do.
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old McCall had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's check out Gordon. Whoa, Gordon's covered in all orange paint. Look at him. Okay, here he goes. Here goes Gordon. Splash! Whoa. Zayn, who's that?
That's Muddy Thomas.
This Muddy Thomas.
Bye, Thomas.
Sorry. Wait.
Woohoo! Told you Mud was awesome.
It does feel kind of good on my gears. Oh, that's why he kept jumping in the...
Muddy Thomas is covered in all green paint. Check out the green paint on Muddy Thomas. He definitely needs to get in the water. Up and down and splash. There he goes. Who's that, Zayn?
Carly the Crane.
Carly the Crane.
Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clack clack here and a snap snap there. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap.
Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing.
Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap. Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly. Thanks, Carly.
Yep, she's covered in all green. All right, check out Carly. Whoa. She's all green. Here she goes. Oh, splash. Who's that, Zayn?
That's Racer Diesel.
That's a Racer Diesel, yep.
Hey, Kana, guess who I'm cheering for? There they are. I've got to go meet them.
That's a super fast diesel covered in all green. So cool. Whoa, here he goes. Whoa, splash. Who's that, Zayn?
Riff.
That's Riff.
Wow, we're actually on Sonar. This is super exciting.
Check out Riff. Riff's covered in all green paint. Riff is one of the racers. Whoa, check that out. So cool. All right, here goes Riff. Splash. Whoa, with the bubbles. Who's that, Zayn?
It's Percy.
That's Percy.
Delivery left. It's a super special party balloon for Sir Topham Hatt. Look!
Oh no, it's getting away.
I have to get that back. Come on! Back up! Back up, back up, back up! Go, go, go! I have to get that back! There it is!
I got it.
I don't got it.
Percy's green with green paint. Check that out. Whoa, Percy's all painted up. Here Percy goes. Whoa, and whoa, splash! Who's that, Zayn?
Thomas.
That's Thomas the Train.
Here comes Thomas on the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go!
And he's covered in all green paint. Here he goes. Back and forth and splash. All right, Zayn, so let's see your fingers. Check out Zayn's fingers. We got green, orange. That was pretty fun. The water became green. And check out the slide, guys. How cool does this look? Check out all those different colors. And check out the paper. And check out the top of the table. Whoa, that was so cool.